With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is an example of competitive inhibitor is. So, what happens in the competitive inhibitor? When this occur? When any molecule that resembles with the substrate in the structure, okay? Any molecule that resembles with substrate in molecular structure, okay? This type of inhibition is called as competitive inhibition. So let's say I have one enzyme here. So let's say this is the enzyme, and for this enzyme I have one substrate. So let's say this is the real substrate for this enzyme, but there can be other molecule that resembles with this substrate in the structure. So let's say I have this other molecule here. Okay, so this other molecule bind to the active site present on the enzyme. Okay, so this substrate and inhibitor, they compete with each other to bind to the same binding site present on the enzyme. Okay, and hence this other molecule is nothing but the competitive inhibitor. Okay, now we'll read the option. First is succinate dehydrogenase and malonate. This is the correct option. So let's say this enzyme is your succinate dehydrogenase. What is the substrate for the succinate dehydrogenase? The succinate. So what is the formula for this succinate? COO, CH2CH2, COO. This is the structure of succinate. And we have the competitive inhibitor, which is called as malonate, which looks like this. CH2, COO, CH2, COO. This is the malonate. So this malonate is a competitive inhibitor of the succinate dehydrogenase. That means malonate can competitively bind to the active site of this enzyme. Okay, so yes, this is the correct option here. Second option is hexokinase and glucose 6-phosphate. No, this is not the example of competitive inhibition. In fact, they show the allosteric inhibition. Okay. Third is cytochrome oxidase and cyanide. That is the example of non-competitive inhibitor. Okay, they don't have similar, the substrate and the inhibitor, they are not same in structure, and hence they show non-competitive inhibition. Okay, so what is your correct option? Option 1, that succinate dehydrogenase and malonate is the example of competitive inhibition. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.